Good morning, guys. We are rushing off. It is 7 a.m. Hello, this is my roommate, Lida. You were supposed to meet her through a meet my roommate video, but I'm going to film that soon. Did you have trouble getting up this morning?
Yeah. It was like a nightmare.
She was like, Maria, please wake me up, and I didn't want her to get mad at me, so I woke her up with some BTS music.
Hey,
and it worked. And it worked. So right now we're rushing. The school organized the field trip to go to the Great Wall, and we're gonna go to Mu Tian Yu. They have the tour bus and they have lunch. So we're just rushing right now. We're literally sweating. We're sweating. Yeah. Cool kids in the back. Alright, so we're following our tour leader, and guess what we have? Burger King. Come to the Great Wall to have some Burger King. That would be great. This is my friend Soko. Hello, say hi. From South Korea, yes?
Shooting your photo?
I am shooting. I'd be like, this is my classmate too. Say hi, Chen. Yes. Wow. And yeah, we're doing a vlog of the Great Wall. Okay, I was sleeping the entire bus ride, but I know some cool facts about the Great Wall to share with you when I get there. So we'll share that with you in a second. Guys, do you see this?
How can I get this?
You can take a slide down the Great Wall. That's amazing. Okay, not down the Great Wall, beside it. But that's so cool. We are slowly making the climb. When I did this in the summer, I did not, well, okay, I didn't realize that this is an actual climb. Like, there's just stairs and stairs and stairs. And even though I've done a lot of hikes in Vancouver, this is actually pretty tough. As you can see, I am by myself, so I left my classmates back there. But I think the trick is just slow and steady, and keep your breath really steady. It's beautiful weather. The air is fresh. Clear weather. I am so excited to get to the top. I can't believe I did this in the summer with my sister 2 years ago. It just blows my mind. But I'm very excited to be back here again. All right, let's continue climbing.
And just like
that, we're on the Great Wall. Doesn't so bad. Really wasn't that bad. Alright, what I do want to share with you about the Great Wall. It crosses 9 cities in China, and it took 1 million people over 10 years to build, and it was used for protection of China from the north. That's all I got. But now I'm excited to be here and check it out. This is really cool. bumped into the Turkish couple. Hello, hello. Okay. Is it your first time? Is it your first time on the Great Wall?
Yeah.
Yes.
It was so tired.
She was so tired. I went ahead of her. I went ahead of her because I was like, I'm just gonna go up by myself, and then yeah, he had to wait for her.
He just pushed me, you know, from the stairs.
Okay, so far, what do you guys think?
I don't like the stairs.
Okay.
But the view is so good.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
And
The view's
I took a lot
amazing.
of pictures.
You did? Okay, I'm excited to see them. But no, today's great weather to be on the Great Wall, and I'm actually surprised there are not that many people. Okay, there are a lot of people behind me, but we need to get a picture together.
Yes.
Look at this one. Okay, then I'll go next.
She's so cool.
안녕하세요.
Okay, say 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Good.
Why? I think.
Professional photo shoot going on here.
Yeah.
수고 못하네.
Okay, guys, we are going down the Great Wall. Well, no, it's not. We're not going down the Great Wall. We're going down the slide that I was talking about. It's telling us to go. Telling us to go. Okay, if I lean forward, it goes by faster. Oh my God! This is so fun! This is so fun! Oh my gosh! They're so far behind me! This is amazing! I didn't realize this was going to be so fun! Woo! Woo! Going, I'm going! Go, 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 go! Wow, look at this, guys. Okay, I wanted to say hi to Maria because this is Maria. Where are you representing, girl?
France.
Yes.
America.
Yes, yes. What do you think of the Great Wall?
Yes, it was nice, you know.
Nice?
I think what made it amazing was me being there.
You go, girl. You go, girl. High five. So my favorite part was definitely riding the slide down because that was amazing, and I've never done that before. How about for you?
Mine too. It was amazing.
You didn't do that?
No, I didn't do it.
It was the best. It was 100 RMB, but it was definitely worth it.
I didn't. I
On you.
busy taking
Toilet was the best.
Soko?
Yeah, I ate
my favorite
Subway sandwich. It was 53 yen.
Uh-huh.
But we have free lunch. Yeah. Don't say I don't take coffee anymore.
That's it.
So he was saying how he bought a Subway sandwich for 53 RMB when we had a free lunch plan. So that made him cry just a little bit. But overall, great trip. It was a great trip. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.